everybody, we're going to make a short video here to use Cami and create a colorful Thanksgiving wreath. So what I've done here is I've selected shapes in our tool menu bar, and I've selected the circle. I'm going to quickly just go up here. I'm going to change this to a 2, just get a thicker line. We will be removing this circle near the end of our project. So all I'm going to do is just make a circle right here. I'm not dragging it right to the end. I'm going to leave a little space right here, and then I just drop it off. And now this is a guide for the students to put their leaves in. So what we do now is we click on Add Media, and then we click on Google Image Search. And then in this search window, we're going to type in Fall Leaf Transparent. And transparent is the key word here. And when I do a search right now, we're going to get a leaf that has a transparent background. I'm going to select one. I'm going to select it, and it goes directly in. Now I click it once. I'm going to resize it. Now you will see this black line, but we're going to get rid of that later. That is the circle, and there's my first leaf. I'm going to go back to Add Media, and what I actually did is I tell the students to copy Fall Leaf Transparent. So now I'm just using a Control-C to copy those words and a Control-V to paste it in there, and I'm going to click Search again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a couple leaves together. This might enable me to make my my wreath a little quicker than normal. I'm going to click back up here, and I'm just going to put it right over here. Now, if you notice, they're in an order. So arranging wise, every time you put a new image, it's going to go on top of the old image. And I place it right there. And now all I do is continue to go back to this, and I just type the same thing, Fall Leaf Transparent. And then I'm going to scroll down and see if I can get some other leaves. Look, here's but they're not together. This might be an interesting one, or this double one here. We'll do the double one. Now, I cannot hold the Shift key, or I cannot hold the Control key, or the Alt key. No, and there are 0 keys that allows me to choose multiple images. I can only select one at a time. I click Select. It goes in. I click once. I place it there. I'm going to resize this. Look, that's really close to the circle. I'm going to resize it, and then I'm building from the right to the left, and there I am. And I build this all right here. You also can do this when you go to Add Media. I could always search for not a Fall Leaf Transparent. I can search for Scarecrow Transparent, and I can put a couple other little things on my. We'll grab this guy right over here. And then I could put this guy right here. So you can put multiple fall images on it. Notice it goes on top right here. And then my goal is to get everything around this whole wreath, and then I'm done. Right before I end it, though, I would go grab my eraser, and I would click on the circle, and it goes away, and you're going to see the wreath is in almost in an ellipse or a nice big circle. I click Undo here. That's the last thing I'm going to do. Then I also can do this. Notice I have a text box up here that I can select. And I can place it right in here. You could keep that title up there, and then I can always just go to text box. I'm going to click the color red this time. I click it in. I go Happy Thanksgiving. And with the font, I can put it in here. Then when I click on this font right here, you're going to see right up here, I can change bold it. I can change the font size right over here. But I tell the students they have to highlight the words first to be able to do that. Because now I'm going to bold it, and you're going to see it all get bolded right there. A lot of other tools you can do here. If you have more words, you can always center it and so on and so forth. But that's how you use Cami to create a nice Thanksgiving wreath. Of course, you can do 2 things. I'm going to delete all these, and you can, as a teacher, you could give them this to start and then assign it. And the easiest way to assign it would be over here to click Menu, and then I would create an assignment. That's another video, but this is just to show the students how to use the circle tool or the shape tool and then Add Media to create a Thanksgiving wreath.